After numerous leaks and rumors, Huawei silently launched the Huawei Mate 60 Pro smartphone in China. The smartphone bundles high-end features and a circular camera module on the rear side. Huawei Mate 60 Pro is available in 4 different color options: green, silver, purple, and black. The smartphone bundles some exciting features and specifications, consisting of a 6.82-inch Full HD Plus OLED LTPO display with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and 1440Hz PWM dimming. It is well protected with Huawei's unbreakable Kunlun glass. Huawei Mate 60 Pro houses a triple rear camera module featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor with OIS capability, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 48-megapixel telephoto OIS lens that supports 3.5x optical zoom and 100x digital zoom. The rear camera supports variable aperture. The XFAG camera system supports Super Night Mode, Super Macro, Macro PIP, Pro Mode, Slow Motion, Multi-Camera, and AI Photography Mode. Further, it includes a 4D predictive focus tracking so that images don't get blurred, and several other modes. On the front, there's a 13-megapixel camera with HDR support for selfies and video calling. Huawei Mate 60 Pro comes with a 5,000 mAh battery that supports up to 88-watt fast wired charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and 20-watt reverse wireless charging. It features an IP68 rating, which means it will be waterproof up to a depth of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes and is protected from dust, all without the need for extra cases or covers. The new smartphone ships with 12GB RAM and 256/512GB/1TB storage option. It even supports expandable storage of up to 256GB via a nanometer memory card. In connectivity, the Huawei Mate 60 Pro comes with a USB 3.1 Gen 1 port, Wi-Fi 5/Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, satellite calling, and GPS. It measures 163mm x 79mm x 8.1mm and weighs 225 grams. Apart from the compelling hardware, the smartphone features refined software HarmonyOS 4.0 OS, including features such as 3D face recognition, AI-based camera intelligence, and some state-of-the-art photo processing software. There's also support for AI remote, wireless payments, and always-on display. Huawei's own Pangu 3.0 AI model makes the overall system more smarter and interactive. It is Huawei's maiden smartphone that supports satellite connectivity. Huawei Mate 60 Pro is now available in China via Huawei's mall store. 12GB plus 256GB storage. Pricing info not available. 12GB plus 512GB storage. 6,999 yen or $79,393, $961, 888 euros. 12GB plus 1TB storage. Pricing info not available. What do you think about the Mate 60 Pro? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next one. Peace out.